Thank God this was not an act of terrorism. It is an isolated incident, appears to be a workplace-related matter, but that makes it no less tragic or no less horrible.
During the incident, the hospital's fire alarm system activated, apparently due to the suspect's attempt to set himself on fire. On the 17th floor, officers encountered the male suspect lying on the floor, dead of an apparent self-inflicted gunshot wound. An assault rifle was found nearby. The subject was wearing a white medical-type coat.
Are we ready, Mike?
I want to do a survey now. We have to check the car. And I know you'll know, Sarah, trust me.